Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth problems when the connection is intermittent, or you can just pair the device. So let me place my, for example, AirPods here, or maybe here, to show you that they are paired with my phone. At first, let's open settings and here connections. Here, as you can see, we have one device connected, and these AirPods. If you have some connection intermittent or something like that, you have to forget the device at first and pair it back again. To do so, at first click this gear icon near your device and tap unpair here. Now our headphones are unpaired. Now we have to pair them back again with our phone, and to do so we have to open the case lid, for example here in these headphones, AirPods, and hold the button which is on the back of our case. Now we are in the pairing mode, so let's go straight to the Bluetooth here and tap scan. I don't know why, but my other device is paired with my headphones, so let me pair with my AirPods back again. As you can see, we do have a lot of devices, but here we do have my headphones. Okay. And now we are paired. And that should fix the issue, because if you forget the device and pair it back again, you can fix a lot of issues, because the files for your devices are better, etc. Apart from that, if you have the Bluetooth still not working or the connection is bad, you can just here in the Bluetooth section still turn off the Bluetooth. Now that the Bluetooth is turned off, now you can wait a few seconds, for example 10 seconds, and after these 10 seconds you can turn on the Bluetooth back again. Just like that. Now it should work, it should fix the issue, because it may fix the Bluetooth module, like just fix like that, and the sound will be good. Apart from that, I do recommend to reboot your phone, and to do so we have to hold the power button here, tap restart and restart. This should fix the issue, because our system will boot it automatically back again. Now our system is booted up again, and if that should fix the issue. If that didn't fix your issue, you have to enter now the system settings. And so unlock your phone, and here now we can reset all networking settings. This should reset all your Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings, etc. So at first we need to enter the here channel management and tap reset. Here tap reset network settings, and here, as I can see, this will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. We can tap reset settings here to reset. You will have to pair your devices, Bluetooth devices back again, and connect your Wi-Fi networks back again. And that should fix the issue like permanently, because I don't really think that some other thing is not working. But as the final step they will show you is to check the compatibility and if you have some updates for your phone. I'll check if your device isn't maybe dedicated to newer Android versions, because this is the Android experience, and now we have the Android 16, which is the One UI 7 in our Samsung phones, and it's pardon me, we have Android 15 in our Samsung phones, which is the One UI 7, and and that's how it works. You have to check the compatibility, but if the device is compatible, you have to now go back and check for updates in your phone. Tap software update and tap download update manually, and this should fix your issue if you have some latest update. Because if you, for example, don't have the latest version of your software, maybe Samsung released a quick fix that you haven't downloaded, and you have to download it here. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked this video and hope you found this video helpful. Please consider to subscribe to our channel and liking the video, because it really motivates us. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!